Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Facebook retargeting ads, and I will be dividing the entire discussion into few simple questions so that it becomes easier for you to understand. First, I will explain the old method of retargeting. Then I will be talking about the updated new methods of retargeting. Then I will be sharing how to identify which ads are being used for retargeting. See, as a business owner, as a marketeer, all of initially when we start, we always listen to gurus and who say that you need to run retargeting ads, you need to keep out a separate budget for retargeting ads. Initially, these practices used to work, but now in 2024, the we can kind of say that retargeting is almost dead. Retargeting ads are almost dead. There is a different way of retargeting. Retargeting is there. I am not saying retargeting ads. Retargeting is not there. Retargeting in Facebook is there, but retargeting ads that we used to launch initially is dead. So if you are following the old strategies of retargeting, you might experience unstable performance at scale and higher cost per result at scale, and this may undermine your campaign's performance. So this is why you must understand the latest techniques of retargeting and how to identify which ads are being used or can be used for retargeting. So let's get started. First, let me tell you the old method of retargeting. Initially, first let me explain this with the help of a concept: Facebook funnel audience. See, whenever you advertise on Facebook, there are three audiences from the perspectives of your product, your offer: top of the funnel audience, middle of the funnel audience, and bottom of the funnel audience. Basically, top of the funnel audience, initially this I am telling the old method. Top of the funnel audience is generally the interest based audience. Middle of the funnel audience is one who know you, they have some interest in the product, they have the interest in product that you may be selling. And bottom of the funnel audience is generally your audience that have checked your product, initiated the checkout but didn't completed it, made to added products to their cart but didn't complete the checkout. These were the bottom of the funnel audience. Okay, so now what the old method was: for top of the funnel audience we were running interest based targeting ads, and for the middle and the bottom of the funnel audience we were running, especially for the bottom of the funnel audience, we were running retargeting ads, like with extra discounts and with some extra bonuses and offers. This was the old strategy of retargeting. But in 2024, the entire mechanism has changed. Now what is there that Facebook wants to take more control in its own hands. Whatever Facebook wants, that Facebook wants to decide. Basically, the algorithm will decide whether which audience it should retarget, which audience it should uh, be placed at top of the funnel audience, middle of the funnel audience, or bottom of the funnel audience. So, for example, now you are running 4 ads, but out of the 4 ads, none of the ads, all the ads had impressions, but none of the ad gave you any result. Then you ran a 5th retargeting ad, and the 5th ad gave you the result. For example, 4 ads, on the 4 ads you spent around 2000 rupees, and then you launched a retargeting ad for rupees 500, and you another after spending rupees 500 you got one sale. So what is your cost per result? Is it rupees 500 or is it rupees 2500? Technically speaking, your cost per result is 2500. Even though the retargeting ad got you the results, but the buying intent was generated by the other 4 ads. So in earlier these things used to work, but now as Facebook itself promotes that the media buying strategy should be as simple as that. So what we do is that we follow a one campaign, one ad set and winning ad structure. Means there is one campaign, in that there is only one master ad set, and within that all our winning ads are stacked together. That's it. There is no retargeting ads. An entire budget we put it on this ad set only at CBO. So now the obvious questions comes that we are not retargeting in this 2024. The media buying strategy is simplified, but we are not retargeting. We are not running retargeting ads. So how do we identify which ad is being used for retargeting? So how do we identify which ad out of our winning ads is being used for retargeting, or whether Facebook is retargeting or not? How do we know that? Because now we are not running retargeting ads. Earlier we used to run, but the performance was unstable, so we have stopped running. So what to look for when we need to identify which ads are being used to retarget? So here comes the importance of CPM frequency matrix. What it is I will be explaining, but first let me explain you what is CPM. CPM is cost per thousand impressions, as simple as that, and frequency is unique users. Frequency is impressions divided by unique reach, basically impressions divided by reach. So your frequency will be high if same ad is being shown to same users. Basically the impressions will increase and the reach will be less, so frequency will be high. And cost per impressions I already explained you. So what is the strategy to identify which ads are being used for retargeting? First thing first, you need to check. Basically what we do at one campaign method, we check weekly data. At weekly data at ad set level, we find out the average CPM at ad set level and average frequency at ad set level, and we write down these metrics. Then we move inside the ad account and find out the frequency and CPM of individual ads. Basically the CPM and frequency at ad set level act as a benchmark. And then to decide which ad is being used for retargeting, we find out the CPM and frequency of each ad, and we write down. Basically we prepare a Excel sheet and write it down there. So the next step is how to interpret the data. First thing first, if your CPM is low and frequency is low, comparing it to the ad set level, if CPM and frequency is low as compared to a particular to the ad set for a particular ad, then this ad is being used as top of the funnel ad by Facebook. Let me repeat, low CPM, low frequency of an ad as compared to master ad set, then this ad is being used for top of the funnel audience. Yes. So can you imagine? Now the next question. So low CPM, low frequency, top of the funnel ad. How come? See, now Facebook algorithm that works on AI image recognition model reads through your ads and identified that this ad will resonate with more number of people. Since this ad will resonate with more number of people, it expands the reach of that ad. When the reach is more, then your frequency lowers down, and more people are liking that. Basically that's what Facebook measures, that this ad will resonate with larger set of audience. As a result, more people do resonate with that ad, and your CPM is low. So low CPM, low frequency, top of the funnel ad. Next thing, high CPM, high frequency. High CPM and high frequency identifies that bottom of the funnel ad or retargeting ad. See, when will you get a high frequency? When the same ad is being shown to the same audience, delivered to the same audience more number of times. So the reach will be less, impressions will be more, frequency will be high. And obviously when it is being shown to the same audience, then lesser percentage of audience will respond to that ad, so the CPM will automatically increase. So this will be your bottom of the funnel ad. You need to find out like this. Then comes low CPM but high frequency, or you can say not low CPM and high frequency. And the other thing is high CPM and low frequency. See, high CPM and low frequency means Facebook is not pushing this ad to a larger set of audience. It means it is a poor ad, so that ad needs to be stopped. Now we are left with the fourth case, is low CPM but high frequency. So low CPM, high frequency is a rare case to identify. As of now, in my advertising experience, I have never seen a similar ad. But what I have seen is that basically Facebook, while optimizing, decides on the basis of, creates a combination of ads. One of our ad that I run for my client in mobile numerology niche, one ad is for top of the funnel ad, and the testimonial for that ad, basically in that ad, in that the body copy, we have shared a testimonial, what the person is saying, and then we are also running a testimonial ad. So what Facebook is doing, Facebook is using the normal ad, basically in which we are educating the audience, as a top of the funnel ad, and then the testimonial ad, it is using the testimonial ad as the bottom of the funnel ad. And how I am able to say this? Because of these two things that I mentioned here: low CPM, low frequency, and high CPM, high frequency. High CPM, high frequency for our testimonial ad, and low CPM, low frequency for our more generic and educational ad. That is how you are able to decide whether your audience is being retargeted or not. I hope I added some value to you. Till then, bye bye.